album, digitally remastered, they sound even better, giving what was then a new twist and giving us live wire entertainment with medley of their hits, ang bagong Alamid!
Ang puso ko ay biglang sumaya, ang laway ko ay tumutulo pa sa tuwa. Di na makahanap ng isang tulad mo sa puso ko. Di na makontento sa pasulyap-sulyap pag ako'y lalapit, parang rapist na tinatakbuhan. Ko na lang ang anting-anting ni Lolo sa baulan para lumang nakatago. Di na kailangan malasing na gusto upang sabihin ko sa'yo ika'y mahal ko. I can feel my China eyes. You looked at me. I knew that the days are long and cold without you by my side. I see your face, I smell the time. The thoughts of you are clear and they can no longer hide. I love the China eyes. Sama-sama tayo magsayaw at tataas. Ikot-ikot, kumemot-kemot, walang pakialam. Sama-sama tayo magsayaw at tataas. Oh, umikot-ikot na parang siklot, walang pakialam. That lights up my whole world. I feel the world inside. Your love is like a river that flows down through my veins. Oh, I feel the chill inside. Your love, won't you give me your love? Nayad. Your love, please give me your love. Tonight,
Alamid!
You've heard it from the Alamid.
Kayo, Alamid.
Makikita nyo sila sa June 9,
June 9 sa Sampaloc.
June 12, Robinson Galleria.
At
Ano ba
sa
yan?
Baliwag, Bulacan, sa June 15. Ayan.
June 17, Robinson's Ermita.
June 16 ever Commonwealth. June 30 ever Ortigas. And June...
22, San Juan.
Ayan, sa Sabado po, nasa bagong baryo Caloocan po ako. Ayan.
Ayan, okay.
Popular, Barangay 2.
Don't go away. Magbabalik po ang lunch break.
Gawin!